Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the left side of our phone and see a hole here. Just insert SIM ejector tool into this hole here, and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Keep your phone aside, and now here you are seeing 3 slots. In the first 2 slots you can put 2 nano SIMs, and in the third slot you can put one micro SD card. Here I show the demo. First I put one nano SIM in the first slot in this position, and then I again put another nano SIM in the second slot here, and now I bring SD card, that is memory card, and put it in third slot. So I have put 2 nano SIMs and one micro SD card. Now keep the tray in this position and bring your phone. I bring my phone now. I bring it and insert this tray into this phone here. Gently insert here and push down. Now you will see 2 SIM cards detected in your phone. Just wait few seconds. In the notification you can see SD card inserted. So SD card is properly inserted and it is scanned. To see the SIM card, just go to the settings and click on connections. Click on SIM card manager. Click on SIM card manager and you are seeing 2 SIM cards here and they are enabled. So in this way you can easily insert 2 SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.